public showdown between Rigathi Gachagua and Deputy President Kithure Kindiki during the MBEERE North by-election. The confrontation is playing out as part of the MBEERE North parliamentary by-election campaigns, where each deputy is publicly backing rival candidates and staging high-profile rallies. The feud has deeper roots. Gachagua was impeached and removed from the deputy presidency in 2024, after which Kindiki was appointed. Their rivalry since then has become both personal and political, and the by-election is being treated as a test of influence in Mount Kenya East. Gachagua acts as the opposition's rallying figure in the area, campaigning for the DCP opposition-backed candidate and portraying the contest as a rejection of the current administration. He's mobilizing crowds and framing the vote as a show of political muscle. Kindiki fronts the government UDA-aligned campaign, emphasizing development and sobriety of politics. Kindiki positions himself as the establishment alternative to Gachagua's combative style and stresses development delivery. Gachagua's style, combative, populist, and high energy, seeks to galvanize voters by attacking the government and highlighting grievances. Media coverage notes sharp, direct criticism of the president's policies and of UDA allies. Kindiki's style, more institutional, discipline-focused in messaging, criticizes Gachagua personally, calling him a failed leader in at least one report, while promising sober development politics. The exchanges have included direct insults from both sides. Gachagua relies on mass rallies, personal charisma, and the opposition's ground organizers to turn out voters. He is banking on local dissatisfaction and anti-government sentiment. Kindiki leverages state structures and the ruling party's organizational reach, UDA, plus senior government messaging about delivery and services, a more institutional campaign. Analysts describe the race as featuring state versus opposition dynamics. Gachagua, backed by opposition leaders and the Democratic Party candidate, his camp frames a win as reclaiming Mount Kenya influence. Kindiki, backed by UDA structures and allied county leaders, including UDA local chairs and some county-level power brokers. Tensions between local UDA figures and Gachagua supporters have featured in coverage. A Gachagua-backed victory would be read as evidence of his continued regional influence and a blow to the Ruto-Kindiki axis. A Kindiki UD. A win would signal the government still controls the Mount Kenya ground game. Journalists call it a barometer for who controls Mount Kenya East political momentum. The dual risks inflaming intra-regional divisions and personalization of what is officially a local race. Coverage warns ego wars are eclipsing local issues. It also raises the chance of heated campaigns, hostile crowds, and negative national headlines. 2024, Gachagua impeached. Kindiki later appointed deputy, rivalry solidifies. Both deputies make active, competing appearances in MBEERE North. Media highlight clashes of rhetoric in parallel rallies. This is less a local policy argument and more a power duel. Gachagua mobilizes popular, confrontational politics to challenge the administration's influence. Kindiki projects government competence and institutional weight. The by-election is treated as symbolic. A win for either man would be politically useful beyond MBEERE